You know what's crazy? Security is having the biggest talent shortage in history, but you're still stuck in a job that's, well... In 2020, I wouldn't blame you. Not because of a global pandemic, but because we didn't exist yet. Now you've got no excuse. AppSecEngineer could be your ticket to a brand new career in security or a booster pad for your existing skills. The biggest difference you can bring as a professional is real-world skills, and we train you in the ones employers are looking for. Maybe you want to start with the basics like the OWASP Top 10, or you're more into cloud like AWS or Azure Security. What about DevSecOps? That sounds fun. Maybe you're even ready for containers and Kubernetes security. The good news? AppSecEngineer has over 50 courses in all these topics and more. The even better news? You learn everything with hands-on labs featuring interactive security scenarios and real-world attack and defense strategies. The bad news? People are gonna start hounding you to figure out how you got so good so fast. Sorry, I guess? Learn twice as fast. Retain 4 times as much. Because hands-on means brains-on. More than 5,000 learners and 10,000 hands are busy getting skills and landing better jobs with AppSecEngineer. Never stop learning.